Hi kids, I am Sunny. Let's learn shapes. This is circle. Circle shape. Circle rolls, round, round. This is square. Square shape. Square has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is triangle. Triangle shape. Triangle has 3 sides. Nice shape. This is rectangle. Rectangle shape.
Rectangle is long, 4 sides.
This is oval. Oval shape. Oval is smooth. Nice oval. Star is shiny. Wow! Wow!
This is star shape.
This is heart shape. Heart means love. I love you. Circle, square, triangle, rectangle. Shapes are fun. Good learning. Clap, clap. Yay! Ha! You did great! Subscribe and like YOYO Kids. Bye-bye, kids. See you again.